Hi friends, welcome to Earning Hacks. Here I am going to present you the demo of Pses. Pses is a professional student management system. I freely hosted this website on a live server with a free domain. So I'll go to my website by simply putting my website address here. Here, you can see that my website has opened. You can see the main page has contained 4 menu sections: Home, About, Contact, and Account. When we'll click on About, it will redirect us to the About section. When we'll click on Contact, it will redirect us to the Contact section. The Contact section contains a form. That form we'll use in case if students get any problem operating this site or getting any website errors, then they can simply fill this form, and the response will be submitted to the Google Sheets, where the admin will analyze their problem and will help them to sort this out. Now, we'll go to the Account section. Here, the Account section contains the registration and login form so that only those students can use. Go to the final page whose entry will be stored in the registered database. So, now we'll be registered here by putting some username, password, and email it. One thing you should remember, that your username and password should not be the same, otherwise your login entry will not be approved by the database, because I've created a username and password are 2 unique identities there. Now, after filling the registration form, when you click on the Submit button, it will show you the successful registration completion message. Now, we'll click on the Login button. That will redirect you to the login page. Now, on the login page, you've to enter your username and password, the same which you entered at the time of registration. Now, after that, we'll click on the Login button and we'll successfully land on our main page where we can fill our enrollment form. You can see your username is appearing on the top of this enrollment form. Now, your enrollment record here. Remember, if you want some changes in this record, you change this within the source code. Suppose, if you want to change your institution name here, so you can simply change it in the source code. Now, after filling this complete form, when we'll click on the Submit button, our record will appear on the bottom side of this page, and it will also submit to Google Sheets. You can see our record has successfully submitted on the Google Sheet. We'll provide you the source code and complete training video to set up this website on the live server. So, if you're interested in this, then check the link below for complete details.